Hey guys, we received this magnetic privacy screen compatible with MacBook Air 13.6 inches 2024 model M3 and so test and try. So let's just open and see. So this comes in a nice package wrap and then it's a removable matte anti-glare blue light protector private security filter for Mac and the laptop or computers. So here, like I just try to unpack first and see what is there. So there is a manual, there is a screen protector kit or the screen cleaning kit. So this have the sticky thing for the particles, um, microfiber cloth for cleaning the screen, and also the different things. So gel stickers for the bottom of the screen. So you can also use for and these are the two lens or the camera protectors where you can also close the camera and protect it through this. So there are two sets for this one. So this also comes in a really nice protective wrap like the plastic folder. So this is the main screen. So it's have a magnet on the top and then the normal privacy screen. So privacy screen is helpful like when you want to see it from a side. And then so this is my M3 MacBook Air with 13.6-inch size, and I just want to put this on the screen. So here it sticks well from the magnet. If I want to stick something, I can use the gel, the clips. So here you can see that is an anti-glare, so I can see it easily through this, and from the top corners, it fits really well. Now from the side, you will not see anything. That's how the privacy screen work. And then when you came in front of it, then only you can see what's in the screen. So say like from the side, you will not see. You can see like the blackish thing. So from the side, you cannot see anything. Only through an angle or the front thing you will see. So this is a really nice privacy screen and works really nice with the anti-glare privacy and stuff. So I'm just trying to show you from the different angle. The camera also you can just put it on the top of it and you can close or open to make it more secure. So for the camera. And also like from the side, you can see that this really fits the 13.6 inches Mac. And from the corner also on the top, it really cuts well. So see like it fits really well from the top and all the cutouts are really nice. So it's like a screen protector for the MacBook Air right now. And you can also use it on different laptops. It's how it fits. So you have to check that part. So these are the gel sticker that you can put on the bottom of the screen if you want for the prolonged use. You don't want to take it out, but I will just show it to you. But basically for me, I will like it just directly putting through the magnet and take out the screen while doing it. So very nice privacy screen.